Students, welcome to NIRS Education Channel. Today, let us continue the lesson, the black aeroplane. In our previous session, we came to know that the narrator, he was flying in his Dakota aeroplane, and he was flying from France back to England. He wanted to spend holiday with his family. And when he came to Paris, that time he informed to Paris control station and he asked for the instructions to go to England. Then from the Paris control he got the reply that he must turn 12 degree west in order to move towards England. Now let us continue the lesson. I checked my map and compass, switched over to my second and last fuel tank and turned the Dakota 12 degree west onwards England. Then he checked the map and compass. Compass means a magnetic or electronic device used to determine the cardinal directions. It is an instrument which is used to decide the directions. Okay. So he checked map and compass and switched over to his second and last fuel tank. Two fuel tanks were there, one became empty, so he switched over to second fuel tank and turned the Dakota 12 degree west towards England. Now he turned his Dakota aeroplane 12 degree west towards England. I will be in time for breakfast. I thought, a good big English breakfast. Everything was going well. It was an easy flight. Yes, now he is imagining that he would be in time for breakfast, and he was thinking about that good big English breakfast which he was about to have with his family members. Everything was going well. The situation was very normal there. Everything was well, and the flight was also, it was very easy one. It was not difficult flight. Paris was about 150 kilometers behind me when I saw the clouds, storm clouds. They were huge. They looked like black mountains standing in front of me across the sky. Yes, he left Paris. Now he was nearly 150 kilometers away from Paris. Then he saw the clouds, storm clouds. He saw storm clouds. What do you mean by storm clouds? Heavy, dark, rainy clouds. He saw storm clouds. They were huge. They looked like black mountains standing in front of me across the sky. Those storm clouds, they were looking like what? Black mountains standing in front of across the sky. I knew I could not fly up and over them, and I did not have enough fuel to fly around them to the north or south. The narrator knew that he could not enter inside those clouds, or he could not fly over that, or he could not go around them north or south, because already you know that he switched over to his second fuel tank. There was no much fuel left in aeroplane, so he could not go around the clouds. This is the condition of him. I ought to go back to Paris, I thought. But I wanted to get home. I wanted that breakfast. So the only thing left for him was to return to Paris. But he wanted to get home. But he wanted to go to his home and he wanted to have breakfast with his family. I will take the risk, I thought, and flew back old Dakota straight into the store. Then he decided to take risk. Okay, that's why he flew his old Dakota straight into the storm. Inside the storm, he moved. Storm cloud, he moved. Inside the clouds, everything was suddenly black. It was impossible to see anything outside the aeroplane. When he entered inside the clouds, everything was suddenly black. Everything was dark. It was impossible to see anything outside the aeroplane. He could not see anything outside the aeroplane. The whole aeroplane jumped and twisted in the air. Now this aeroplane, it is jumping and it is twisting in the air. I looked at the compass. He looked at his compass, that instrument which shows the direction. I couldn't believe my eyes. The compass was turning round and round and round. It was dead. It was not work. The other instruments were suddenly dead too. I tried the radio. When he looked at his compass, he could not believe his eyes, because the compass was turning round and round and round. It was dead. It was not working properly. The other instruments were suddenly dead too. I tried the radio. Not only compass, some other instruments were also dead. They were not working. Paris control. Then he tried his radio. Through the radio he tried to contact to Paris control station. Paris control. Can you hear me? He was talking in his radio. He was trying to contact to Paris control station. He asked Paris control, can you hear me? There was no answer. The radio was dead too. I had no radio, no compass, and I could not see where I was. There was no response from Paris control station because the radio was dead. He had no radio, no compass, and could not see where he was. It was his condition. All the instruments, they were not working, and he could not see where he was because of the darkness outside. I was lost in the storm. Then, in the black clouds quite near me, I saw another aeroplane. Almost he was lost in the storm. Then he saw in the black clouds quite near him, very near to him, he saw another aeroplane. For his surprise, he saw another aeroplane beside him. It had no lights on its wings, but I could see it flying next to me through the storm. That another aeroplane, it did not have lights on its wings, but the author could see it flying very next to him through the storm. I could see the pilot's face turned towards me, and he could see that aeroplane's pilot's face was turned towards him. I was very glad to see another person. Then he became very happy. The author became very happy. He lifted one hand and waved. That another aeroplane pilot, he lifted his hand and he waved. Okay, let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching video.